Designed for professional builders, easy for the DIY users who demand higher levels of performance and enhanced usability, Starborn Structural Screws can be used in a variety of applications, including deck ledgers, deck substructures, landscape timbers, fences, pergolas, carrying beams, timber frames, and more. Starborn Structural Screws have several unique features that increase starting speed and reduce driving torque, all designed to save time and reduce labor on the job site. They are fully tested and code-compliant alternatives to traditional lag screws and through bolts, with no pre-drilling required. Black exterior coating is a code-compliant alternative to hot dip galvanizing and approved for use in ACQ, fire retardant treated, and other pressure treated lumbers. Starborn Structural Screws are available now at DecksDirect.com. If you have any questions regarding your deck, give us a call or chat with us online. We love talking to you about your project.